Welcome back. In this video, let's see about what is local variable and what is global variable. Let's create one more class for local and global variable. Local global variable. Create a main method. Click finish. Okay. Now, if you need to create one global variable, you need to declare after the class file and before the main method. So if I mention any int a equal to or okay int a equal to 10, string name equal to mk. So here I have declared two global variables. So global variable always declare before the main method and inside the class. So global variable needs to initialize after class and before method. So it needs to be declared at here. So if I have mentioned, okay, let's create one more method. Public void public int get value. This method return, okay, we need to enter a return type. That's why it is throwing an error as of now. So here I'm just assigning again a equal to 10, a equal to 20, and return type is a, and we need to mention semicolon at the end of the line. Okay, now it doesn't throw an error. So here also I have mentioned a equal a. Here also I have initialized a. So in two places I have initialized the a, but it is not throwing an error. Why? Because it is a global variable, and whatever we are initializing within the method, it is a local variable. Local variable. If I initialize any value within the main method, that also we will call as local variable. Int a equal to 50. So a I have declared in three places. Int a equal to 10, int a equal to 50, int a equal to 20. But only this int a equal to 10 is a global variable. The rest of initialization will take it as a local variable. This is int a equal to 50 is a local variable for only this main method. And this int a equal to 20 is a local variable only for this get value method. Only for this get value method. So local variable for main method. If I try to print if I need to try to print this global variable, first I need to initialize one object. So for that I need to take the class name and create one reference variable of obj equal to, now I am creating one object for the class. So once I have created the class, whatever I have declared in this global variable, in this space, right, it will create one copy and will store in object, and it will create one method. It will keep one copy in this object. So if I call obj.a, sysout of obj.a, so now it will print this A. So 10. Let's see that. See 10. It doesn't print 20, it doesn't print 50. Here also we have mentioned A, right? But it doesn't take it because this A is a reference object of this class. So from this class it is trying to print A. If you need to print this A equal to 50, then you can directly print A in sysout. It will print 50 from main method. From global variable, global value. If I need to print a value of this A, then I need to call this method. So within that I need to call this object. So this is a reference value of this class. So from this class I need to call this method. Copying that method name and pasting out here. So object.getValue, which means it is calling this method. We are calling this method within this object. So object.getValue, it will perform this method and it will return the value of A. So now it will print 20 from getValue method. Let's save this. See 10, 50, 20. This is a global variable. This is a local variable from the main method. This is a local variable from the getValue method. So this is the difference between global and local variable. Global variable always declared within the class. We won't declare within any of the method. If we declare any of this method, then it will be called as a local variable. Why? Because that value will revolve around only within this method. It won't go outside of this method. And here also it won't go outside of this method. If we need to initialize A from this getValue means, then we need to type object.a equal to object.getValue. Then we are changing the value of global variable. From where? From getValue. So getValue is returning some value, that is 20. So now that 20 is assigning to this local variable. So if I try to print the global variable again, now we are reassigning this. So 2020, because now this global variable has changed to 20. So this is the difference between local and global variable. Okay, let's see in another class.